Hi everyone and welcome back. A great carrot cake recipe is a must, and today I'm going to show you my favourite carrot cake recipe. I make this one all the time and everyone loves it. It's lovely and moist, full of flavour, everything you want in a carrot cake, and when you try it you'll definitely be going back for more. We're going to start by mixing together eggs, sunflower oil, you can also use vegetable oil either, and light brown sugar. Give everything a good mix together. Now we're going to add in the grated carrot, raisins, these are optional, if you don't want to put these in you don't have to, orange zest and chopped walnuts or pecans, whichever you have. Give the mixture a good stir to combine everything. Next up it's the dry ingredients, add in the self-raising flour, baking soda and spices, and I'm adding ginger, mixed spice and cinnamon. These spices will give the carrot cake a delicious flavour. Mix until the flour is well combined, making sure that there's no lumps of flour left in the mixture. This is ready. How easy and quick was that? Let's get this into the cake tins. I'm using 2 sandwich tins which I've lined on the bottom and sides, and these are 7 inches in size. We need to get these into a preheated oven for about 35 to 45 minutes. Here we have them. They look great and they smell divine. Cool for about 20 minutes before removing from the tin and popping them on a cooling rack to cool completely. I'm making a lovely buttercream to go with this carrot cake. You can also use a cream cheese frosting, and I'll include details in my recipe for how to make this. So we're going to whip up room temperature unsalted butter for about 5 minutes on its own until it turns to a nice white colour. I add about a quarter of the icing sugar and I whip it in fully before I add more icing sugar. I repeat this until all the icing sugar is added. To flavour the buttercream I'm adding vanilla extract. I do use orange extract from time to time, and it's lovely as well. I like to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of hot water as well, whip together for about 3 minutes, and if it's still very thick, add a little more warm water. Now for my favourite part, let's decorate the carrot cake. I'm using a piping bag with a 1-end tip, and I'm going to decorate the centre with some nice swirls. If you want a more rustic look, spoon the buttercream on and just spread it all out. Place a second sponge on top, and I'm decorating this in the same style as I did in the centre. Lots of buttercream swirls. Buttercream is a great alternative to cream cheese frosting. If you've never tried it on a carrot cake, it's absolutely delicious. To finish off, I'm going to spray on a little bit of gold edible glitter. I love using this on cupcakes and cakes. Top with some fondant decorations if you can get them. If not, you could use some whole walnuts around the side and they'd look perfect too. That's it, all ready, and I think it looks gorgeous. What do you think? Carrot cake is one of my favourite cakes, and I've got a lovely carrot loaf cake on my channel if you want to try it. There's pineapple in that one and it's really good too. It's also a great alternative if you prefer something smaller to make. You'll find the full recipe in the description box under the video, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Look at that. This is the best and easiest carrot cake you'll ever make. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!